Excited about this next band. I'm especially excited about everything, if you couldn't tell. We have Fidelina Pascual. Hay dominicanos en la casa. ¿Sí? Bueno, tenemos tu música. I was first drawn to Fidelina for many reasons. She is a woman. It's amazing when we have a female accordionist in this, especially in this series and in life, because there aren't quite as many as there are men. And I love the men also, but it's really special when we have a really amazing female accordionist. She plays merengue típico, which is also known as perico repeao. It's the oldest style of the Dominican music, merengue, which is typically played on the accordion, bass guitar, guira, and tambora, which is a drum. You'll see all of these on stage shortly. The music form dates back to the 1850s and was originally played with string instruments, but when button accordions made their way from Germany to DR, so did this merengue music. Anyway, this is only the second time in the series that we've had Dominican representation, and we want to have more of that. So if any of you know any Dominican accordionists, please find me. Please send me an email because I want to know about them. Hailing from a family of tamboristas, Fidelina Pascual was first encouraged to play the accordion by her brother, internationally renowned artist Agapito Pascual. Known as La Mami del Swing, Pascual established her first band at age 15, and from there, her career took off. She's toured internationally, and her style of merengue típico has been a hit around the world. Currently hailing from El Bronx, hay Bronx en la casa. This is their first show in a public space. Let's give them some New York City love. Fidelina Pascual.
Si todo lo ves, es mi propiedad. Si todo lo ves, es mi propiedad. Es mi propiedad. Si todo lo meto. Con mi propiedad de café y cacao, con mi propiedad de café y cacao, de café y cacao, con mi propiedad. ¡Eso! Oye Fidelina, díselo muchacho, oye Fidelina, este es el merengue que a mí me fascina, este es el merengue que a mí me fascina, que a mí me fascina, este es el merengue, eso. Con mi propiedad de café y cacao, con mi propiedad de café y cacao, de café y cacao. Hello.